Hey guys, so this one here, I'm just trying to clear up all my old videos that it's in my computer. So this one I've filmed for a few months now, and yeah, I was trying to figure out what my current setup is for my camera. So I'm looking into setting up how I shoot weddings, and yeah, this was weeks ago, and today we're on lockdown, so yeah, I can't use my gears, and there's no shoots anyway. But yeah, these are my setup when I was planning them. And spoiler alert, I didn't use the bag. I didn't use this setup. I used a different setup. But either way, I made the video. I'm just gonna post it now. So enjoy, guys. Okay guys, I've been struggling with camera setups because I usually use a lot of lenses and I have my old preferred setup. So my initial preferred setup is just a 50 mil. I shoot 80% of weddings with a 50 mil. And then I have the 85 for telephoto and for portraits. So when I was with Canon, I had the 50 1.2 and the 85 1.2. And I have this one. I have 1740 for the Canon before. Wide lens for group shots and other documentary shots. So this is for the artistic ones and the main workhorse for my setup. And this is just for the family photos and everything else. So I've been changing gears and changing a lot of things. So right now I've moved to this setup. I moved to 50 because I've heard a lot of people are using this 35. So I've been using the 35 a lot. And I either use this, but most of the times I use the 24, which is the one I'm filming with now. So this is the current setup I've been using. This is just a stopper. So this is 24 for wide shots, group shots, and everything else. 35 can do group shots and everything else, and 85. So this is my small lens setup, and I have two bodies at the moment, but I'm using mainly the A9 as my main photo camera. So yeah, and the sun suddenly went out, so it's getting dark. I'm gonna change the settings. Here it is. So this is the main setup. This is what I've been using. I'm trying to fit them in one bag. So I've been right now I'm using the ProTactic 350, which is that bag there. I'm trying another bag now. Okay, I have another body which is the A7C because I sold my A7 III, and I have the lens which is 2875 for what I call lazy shooting, and for times where you can't change any lens at all. You have to have one lens and it has to be quick. So this is the one I've been using. It's pretty good. So one of the things I will be trying, it's going to be tough for me. I think I've used this once. I'm going to use the Tamron 2875 more on a lot of shoots, and then I'm going to have 35 as my artistic shots, and this one here is just for documentary. So this is just 3 set here. It's going to fit in one bag. Just trying my best to fit everything in one bag, but just for worst case scenario, I have the rest of the set in the car if I lose it. But yeah, it's always been the 50 is my favorite lens, and yeah, I keep it near me because the thing is, there are times I might be losing my touch with creativity. I always go back to the 50, my favorite lens. But yeah, I'm trying other things now. So here it is. I fit everything in one bag. I'm trying out this Lower Pro Street Line, which is one of my favorite bags, but I haven't been using it on an actual wedding. I'll fit them in here. So I'll have 3 lenses only, have the batteries, and yeah. I've been loving the V1, but yeah, I love this flash also. This is very tiny. You can just put that on the side, so it's gonna fit. So that should be another setup that I can use. I don't know. I'll try, but I love the V1, the cycle time. But if I don't use the flash that much, I'll bring that small one.